Hello, fabulous 7th graders. Here we go, day 3. So exciting. So, I have given you the announcement the last couple of days that you're going to need a stamp on Friday. So I'm going to reiterate that again. You need a stamp on Friday. So try to track one down. Ask your mom or dad if you have a stamp at home. Let me know if you can't get one by Friday. But I'm planning on everyone having a stamp because what we are going to do on Friday is we are going to write a letter to a resident at the inn at Westport. The inn at Westport is the nursing home that we partner with in Generation Connection. Many of you have probably been there before. You know that the vulnerable population in particular is who we are trying to protect from COVID-19. So the residents at the inn at Westport are no longer getting visitors in and out, and they are even being kind of quarantined to their rooms, not a lot of interaction with other residents. So you know how you feel when you haven't been able to socialize very long, and that's probably how they are feeling. And so Mayor Paul has really encouraged us to serve our neighbor. And even bigger than that, the Lord calls us not just to be good citizens of the city of Sioux Falls, but to be good citizens in the kingdom of God. Willing citizens, people with servant-like hearts. So we are going to practice hospitality and kindness, and we are going to send them a little letter. So on Friday, and I'll talk about this more on Friday, but I thought I'd whet your appetite just a little bit. One of the things I want to show you is I have you paired with a resident, okay? So Caden will be writing to Gerald, okay? And Levi to Vivian, and Joey to Carol. You are each going to get a name of a resident that you will be writing to. And I will give you a form to follow and give you some guidance on that, and we'll practice filling out an envelope together. So that just gives you an idea a little bit about what we are going to do on Friday. So get a stamp, talk to your parents after this video is over or whatever, make a note so that you remember to get a stamp by Friday so we can complete that task. But today, what we are going to work on today is when you go to your to-do list, you will see that you're going to watch a video again today on the geography of Canada. You have to remember, there's nothing in our book, not a ton in our book about Canada, so we have to get information from other places. So instead of reading the information, we're going to watch the information. And so the link is there. When you open your assignment, you will see the same checklist on the assignment. So we're just going to watch the first 3 segments today, just 3. On Thursday, we'll watch the rest, but watch the first 3 segments. All right, listen to this direction. Bold or change your font color. Some of you have expressed frustration with this line. What you can do is you can highlight the line, and then whatever word that you're going to put in there, let's say it's teacher, it would just go right in there, okay? And you can change your font, and then it will stick out, okay? So make sure you change your font or your color so that it sticks out. So just 3 of them. I have a few questions for you to answer while you do that. Then we have to start learning these provinces and territories. So I have the online Cetera website here, and I just want you to spend 8-10 minutes trying to learn those. I don't expect you to know them today, but just get going on that, learning those. In the lower left-hand corner, you are going to see that there are 2 different modes to play in, just like we have played before when we did the United States. Practice both in the pin mode for a while, and then do the place the labels mode. Okay, so it's going to give you these labels, and then you have to drag them to where it goes. Okay, again, if you want to play with the sound, you can turn sound on with the voice, so then it will talk to you. Okay, so you might want to play that way. So there you go. After you've spent 8-10 minutes on, put your fastest pin score here and your fastest pin the label score here. And then to end, this is just a super silly video on the 10 provinces and 3 territories, okay, to watch. And when you're done, make sure you hit submit, okay. Again, reach out with questions via email or text, or stop by my Google Meet this afternoon from 1 to 3. Have fun, 7th graders. I miss you so much. Hope you have a great day.